buddies. We got the DRZ400. That's 2006. Doesn't start. It starts when he wants, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna try to work on it and see what's going on. And we're gonna unload it soon. See what we can do today. Part 2, the bike is apart. We got a car working on it.
Oh yeah.
We got a spark plug out. I'm trying to find a damn compression tester. Carb is out. This is looking great. It's looking amazing. Look like it's gonna run in about like 3 years. So yeah, definitely. Clean the carb and let's see how it goes now. Come on, man.
You took it out, put it back in.
And I'm not even getting paid for this shit. All right, currently the carburetor is back on. And I believe this one, it's capped off and use the vacuum line to the petcock. That's what I think. It has a vacuum line that wasn't attached to it, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, we never did this before.
Subscribe. Never did it.
But
Yo, this was already running, dude.
all right, go ahead. Crank it up. Crank it up.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Crank it up.
We already know it runs. We were just messing with the idle speed.
Don't do it. Don't do it. It's live. Don't do it.
Look at this. Look at this, man. Mechanics. We're the mechanics right here.
Bro, 1,500.
1,500 bucks. DRZ400. Beat that, boy. How it's supposed to start now. Let's see. Oh, good though. Yeah. $1,500 DRZ400. I didn't run whenever we got there. We tried to get it run. It would start and run and then shut down. Start and shut down. So, now I just realized we got that screw on the top of the vacuum hose for the carburetor, so I guess it wasn't sucking enough for the gas out the tank. So right now it's all good. We're trying to put everything together and see how it goes. All right, second day. I ordered a new tube for it. The front tube. It needs a front tube because the tire is flat in the front, so we assume the tube is bad. We're gonna look for any punctures or anything that is in the tire, maybe. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna take the front end out. The caliper was dragging on a rotor. We took the caliper off and then actually it's straight. But the guy had it before us, apparently crashed into a tree. And that's why you got a new headlight for it and all that stuff. We do have the old headlight, and we found out that the brackets are still there. So we have some parts on order, some bolts and nuts and washers. And I noticed something. Let me show you. You guys can see this. This is the left. This is the right. What's the difference? That one is flush with the tripper with the clamp. This one is about 1/8 to 1/4 below. So the forks weren't straight, and that's why the caliper was dragging. The rotor was dragging the caliper. Anyways, so I'm gonna take this tire off. I'm gonna take the wheel. I gotta replace the tube. Loosen up the clamps up top, and I think we're gonna have a straight fork for now. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Put a battery to charge. You got a tender over there right now. It's 100%. It should start and run, no problem. Since we fixed it yesterday, it's still the bike hasn't run in a while. So the guy we got it from, he wasn't really mechanically inclined, so we think he tried his best with his buddy to try to fix it and do all that stuff. So we're finding more stuff as we go. But we got it run yesterday, so that's a good start. And yeah, I'm gonna fix the forks now, put the tube in, and hopefully we take it for a small rip. Stay tuned. All right, we got this nut out. So let's get the bolts that hold the axle. Should be loose enough. Now I believe we can just bang this on. Let the axle slide out. Just good. All right. We got the axle. Keep it all together. It's gonna be all relubed and stuff. Looks like you got one space on this side, and it has the speedometer on the other side, which is loose, by the way. But we'll make it work. Okay, it's one side, and the axle spacer is on this side. Nothing else. All right, so we got this on and off, and I'm gonna take the tire off and put a new tube in, and hopefully that goes well. So stay tuned. All right, a couple of minutes of struggle by myself. Got the tube out. What's missing? This valve, right? The stemp. This one is broken up. That's why it wasn't holding any air. We tried to pump some air yesterday, and then it was just like nothing. So yes, this one is broken off over here. So I'm gonna take this out, put a new tube in, and yeah, struggle back to put it back together. Let's do this. All right, everything's put back together. Let's see how this thing runs. It shifted like crazy. So far, it looks like it runs. So I'm gonna put my shoes on and see what's going on. Got to get a master mechanics and riders here. Put my shoes on and then let's take it for a spin.
Neither one of us stalled.
Come on, man. We're master mechanics and riders.
Here goes stall number 4.
Not just so that's a medium. Mine's far out.
Rip it!
Yo, how's that fucking sound?
Sounds good, dog. Look at him.
It's still cool. I think I bought the wrong bike.
Huh?
I think I bought the wrong bike.
You can drop the kickstand. Yeah, see, I don't like that shit.
What do you think, man?
I think I bought the wrong
I might have to disable that kickstand.
It's amazing, isn't
I
it?
think I bought the wrong bike.
Come on, man. It's not that bad.
No, man, this is quick.
It's fun as
This
shit.
is so much quicker. You could get so much trouble with that thing.
Oh, yeah. All right. We wrapped it up for today. We didn't do anything else after putting back the tire, adjusting the forks, putting the brakes back on, and took it for a spin. Actually, it's the first time we took it on the street since we couldn't ride it when we bought it. And so far it's been good. The bike runs like it should. Don't really have any issues so far. Knock on wood. Battery's holding charge fine. The bike seems like it's charging the battery. Yeah, put a new tube in, adjusted the forks. The brake is not dragging anymore on the caliper since the forks are even now. What else we have to do? We have to put the headlight on. Try to wait. We're waiting for some bolts and nuts for the headlight assembly to attach it to the brackets. New set of bolts for the fairing. Another gas tank, a bigger gas tank. I'm gonna start working on the wiring harness probably tomorrow. I'm gonna power wash the bike if it doesn't get below freezing. And yeah, I'll power wash the bike, dry it out, and work on wiring harness to make sure the turn signal works. The brake works, front and rear, but the turn signals don't work. So that's gonna be the next step for the project. So with that being said, this is gonna be the end of this video, and the next video is gonna be, power washing the bike and putting all the pieces back together, hopefully. And maybe the third video is gonna be a little bit off-roading, because this bike is almost ready for it. Tires are good, brakes are good, starts, runs, stops. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys in the following episode. Bye.